Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janels. Are you getting itchy, red or swollen skin from gel nails? Today I'll show you how to prevent nail allergies with safe gel routine using HEMA-free techniques. Yes, you heard that right. HEMA-free techniques. And why you should never use acetone to remove the sticky layer. Now before we get started with the video, please make sure to press on the like, subscribe and share button, and also please do not forget to press on the notification bell so that way you can stay notified when I upload another video like this one. Now let's get started. Now guys, why allergic reactions happen with HEMA and acrylates? Well, I'm going to explain why. Number one, HEMA and acrylates are chemicals in some gels that can cause contact allergies when they touch the skin repeatedly, meaning multiple times. After you used it, maybe it doesn't happen the first, second, or third time, but after you continue to have skin contact with the allergens product chemicals, yes, you will eventually develop the allergic reactions. And after that moment, from there on, you're going to have worse and worse allergic reactions to the point that at a certain point, if you continue to do so, the latest or the last few times that you get into contact with these chemicals, your skin is going to react so bad that it's going to take longer and longer to heal. Well, symptoms. The symptoms are itchy, red, swollen fingers. They itch and they burn. The sensation is really bad. You feel like you would love to scratch it with your teeth or a spoon or a fork if possible, because the itching is very bad. Sometimes it peels off and it peels off the nails. But what I can tell you is that you cannot scratch. The more you scratch, the worse that is going to get and the longer that it's going to take to heal. When you do your nails, you have to keep the gel nails only on the nail plate. You cannot allow the chemicals to go in contact with your skin. I cannot stress this enough. Allergies are permanent, and once you develop one, you cannot undo it. It will continue to get worse and worse, and that's why this video is here, to help you avoid those things. And if they happen, because it might and it will, you can just know what exactly to look for and what to avoid and what to have handy for you to stay protected. But most of all, you want to have healthy nails. So guys, acetone versus alcohol, why it matters is very important. Like I was speaking about essentials. Acetone, I'm going to explain what it is. It breaks down cured gel and the product layers. It is for removal, not for cleaning. I hope you can understand the difference, but I'm going to explain more further. You can use acetone to remove the tacky layer, but using it on the tacky layer can ruin the gel's adhesion and cause lifting. When you want to remove the tacky layer, it is better for you to use alcohol. Alcohol as a problem, it has to be 70% up to 99%. It removes the uncured sticky layer, the inhibition layer, and safely without breaking down the gel from underneath that is attached to your nail plate. And this is why, guys, if you heard about gel eggs, the removal of gel eggs is this way. When they're going to remove gel eggs, they use the acetone so that way it could break down the product and make the gel eggs softer, and they can remove it and come off easier, either with a puller or nail remover or even with a bit and a drill. Now when you wipe with alcohol, it's very different. The nail stays smooth and it stays intact. And now guys, I'm going to go ahead and give you a step-by-step safe application routine. Are you ready for this? There's going to be 4 steps and 1 bonus one, so stay tuned so that way you can hear them. Alright guys, number 1, prep the nail. Slightly buff and push back the cuticles, then you're going to cleanse with alcohol. Perfect. Then number 2, you're going to use a base gel, and I'm going to give you a tip. It's going to be a thin coat of base gel. Avoid the skin at all costs if you can, and cure it properly. But I'm going to give you this tip. Are you ready for number 2? With the base gel, you don't have to use a specific base gel that comes with a product or a different product or a different brand. You can use as a base gel you can use a variety of things. You can use construction gels, you can use builder gel, you can even use the A-Press Extend gel, because it's very good as a base gel. So the difference with extensive gel from A-Press for the gel eggs, that's the reason why I'm just giving you a tip. So please do not get confused, because I'm still going to go to number 3 right now. Just hear me out. The construction gel, when you're going to use it as a base, the only difference that you have to use from base gel you can do a thin coat, but when it comes down to construction gel, to use it as a base coat, you have to use an even thinner coat, just as if you're wetting the nail plate, so that way you can move on with the color. All right, guys, so that was my tip. Now, number 3, the color gel. Apply a thin layer of the color gel and cure each layer fully. It doesn't have to be only a color gel. You can use as a base, you can use rubber base and also builder gels, and you can apply a thin gel, a thin layer, and also cure each layer fully as you go. Now, number 4, the top coat. Seal the edges and avoid flooding the cuticles. That is a must. You have to seal your edges and avoid flooding the cuticles, because once you flood the cuticles, once you put your hand in the lamp, by the time you get it there, you may not see it, but the gel will be flooding through the sides of your skin, and it will cure that way. But that's what you should avoid. So seal the edges and avoid flooding cuticles, and then cure. And guys, the final one, use alcohol on a lint-free wipe to remove the tacky layer. Fold the wipe each time to avoid spreading residue. My tip, use HEMA-free or low-allergen gels when possible, if you can. But if you cannot, like I said, I'm going to tag a video around here somewhere, because there's a video, my last video that I made was on how to avoid the products with these tactics that I have here, and is the ones that you can use gels. And because I understand that hypoallergenic products and nail gels are very expensive, sometimes unaffordable, and sometimes you cannot get to them depending on where you live, what state or what country you are. You may not have access to them. So that's the reason why I made a perfect video for those girlies who cannot afford them or have access to hypoallergenic products. But yes, let's go on, guys. Now, guys, what can you do if you suspect an allergy? First, I'm going to give you a doctor's tip or a professional tip, and then I'm going to give you my tip, because guess what? There's different options, like I said. Well, a doctor's tip would be stop using gels immediately. See a dermatologist if the symptoms persist or they get worse. Switch to HEMA-free hypoallergenic products when the clear continues and you want to continue to have nail enhancements. Now, guys, this one is my tip. What to do if you suspect an allergy? Well, make sure that you protect your skin. Yes, you can contact a doctor, but please do not discard of your products that you already paid money for, that you did a lot of research, that you bought them, you were at one moment excited to have them. If you don't have any other hypoallergenic products at hand or close, or you don't have access to them, you don't have to get rid of your products. You can continue to use them and you can continue to have them. Just use hacks to continue to use them and know what to look for. And for that, you can watch my videos so you can know exactly what to look for. Guys, if this helped, press the like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who does their own nails just like me, or maybe like you as well. And also, guys, go check out my other videos. Please make sure to, again, press on the like, subscribe, and share. And also press on the notifications so that way you can stay notified when I upload another video like this one. Now, let's keep those nails beautiful and also healthy. Guys, God bless you. Stay safe. And thank you so much for watching my videos. And also to my new subscribers and my existing subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate your help, and thank you for being in this journey with me. Now let's continue to have healthy nails, and stay tuned for more video ideas and tutorials.